Welcome back. Let's do question 314. Consider the linear sequence 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Which term of the sequence is equal to 83? We managed to find the general term in the previous questions. So now we want to find which term in this sequence is equal to 83. So whatever the term, so where there's Tn, we put 83 and solve for n. So it's 83 is equal to 3n plus 2. Please take note, Tn, the whole Tn there, represents the terms in the sequence. And then n is the position of a particular term or the term number. So now the term is 83. We want to find the position of this term 83. So we want to find n. Subtract 2 from both sides. 81 is equal to 3n. Then divide by 3 on both sides. 27 is equal to n. So it means 83 is term number 27. Okay, so we can say even T27 is equal to 83.